Is your dryer vent on the roof? Check it before winter. Good airflow doesn't mean your vent is always clean. This lint buildup formed in just 1 year. Camera time. Let's look inside. Lint was starting to collect inside. Old flexible slinky style hoses create turbulence, reduce dryer performance and safety, and trap lint. Upgraded to a crush-proof transition for safety and flow. We blew out the vent, cleaned the vent cap, and restored the airflow. And of course, we clean up before we leave. No lint left behind. Stronger airflow, quicker drying, safer home. Keep airflow strong and your home safe. Clean your vent annually.